Hello, bonjour, guten tag and marhaba. Namaste, selamat pagi and buenos dias. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel where you can also find something for you if you want to know how important time is in trading. I love waterfalls as this one. As of today, we are on February 23rd, 2021, when Bitcoin started a furious correction and fallen already from 5770 to about 45,000 USD, or in other words, it made a correction of over 20%. As a trader, I don't touch Bitcoin because its harmony, or in other words, its waves are strongly distorted by the exceeded expectation of investors. But if you closed your long position over here yesterday on 22nd of February, 21st of February, and you managed to rebuy it back over here at 45 or whatever what the value was, please accept my sincere congratulations, because you made a right decision. But in today's video, I'm not going to talk about the Bitcoin. I'm going to share with you my ideas about money making and making trading decisions and how it can affect your trading. So let's start the rock and roll. Are you on the market for making money, or are you for making the right decisions? For any instrument on any market, it sounds like something obvious, but it makes a huge difference for your trading account, my friend. As you probably already know, W.D. Gann was a very successful trader. That's because he did not concentrate on making money. I've got in front of me over here Gann's logo, which represents somehow Gann's decision-making process. This is what I teach on my private mentoring sessions online via Skype. You don't have to, but if you want to give it a go, send me an email. You'll find my email address down below this video. So this logo shows the principle of W.D. Gann's trading methodology. He had a publishing company with his partner, and this is his logo type, whatever you call it. The key is to know whether you trade because you want to make money, or you trade because you are loving it, or you want to make it right. You know, this is, as I always explain to my students, that when a plumber or electrician or whoever, whoever comes to you, to your house to do a job, and if he thinks all day long about making money, he will suck it up, man. Simply saying, he would not succeed, because if during your work you think about making money, it won't help you. And trading, when you make decisions on trading, it is a kind of work you do. So this is Gann's logo, and based on this he was making his right decisions. So he was searching for situations on the market, like on this one. This is one of Gann's grids I made personally by hand, not using any instrument. And based on this, Gann, between the others, was making his decisions, like wherever you see over here, there was a good decision to sell because there was a confluence, whatever. Same story here, different resistance support areas. And even on Bitcoin, you might see that decision of selling over here was the right one, because that was a line when broken, it's shown that the market is going to continue its downtrend. Oh, it's lovely, 23% from top to the bottom. And another thing, by the way, is something you might like numerology. This bottom was on January, what was that? Where is this bottom? The February 20, January 21st, I wanted to show you. Over here, that was the bottom of the market, January 21st. The market bottomed here at about 30,000 after this pretty small correction, and then made another rally and made a top on February 21st, exactly 1 month, 21.0221. And here was 21.0121. A very strange relation. You may realize that over a time when you check these funny days, like 20.02.2020, for example, it's a very important reversal point, but it was just a digression. So let's go back to the issue. So making the right decision, wherever you got it, you wait for your cluster point, you wait for your date, and then you buy or sell or whatever. Because the market, as I'm saying, is going only two ways. It can go up and can go down. It's not a rocket science to guess it, so you might be wrong or right. The only thing is for you is to, when it's going against you, you just have to close quickly your position, and if it's going the way you forecasted, like this one, this is a way to keep it rising. So as Ed Sikota says in his song, just let your profit run. No, sorry, it was Buffett, I think. Let your profit running and don't close it prematurely. And Ed Sikota's got a song, the all good trend, pay for them all. Pay for all the wrong decisions you made on the market. It's not about the money, it's about decisions, my friend. I know it's stupid, it sounds crazy, but it's so obvious. But most of traders forget about it. Most of traders, especially you guys who come to the market, you're thinking about making millions within a month, a year, or whatever. Don't think that way, please. It's not about millions, it's about making the right decisions. I've got over here some cluster points marked here based on this high of September 1st, 2020's daily chart of EURUSD. And as you see, they are all calculated based on the square of 9. And this line has been calculated all in advance based on this price only, and based on the square of 9 and the code hidden behind it. And all these lines show a very good forecast, but not all of them work, as you see over here. It didn't work. Over here didn't work. I made so many other projections which worked only 60 or 70% only. But the only thing is you have to make the right decision. If you got your point like this one, and you know there is cluster point, the market has risen 5 days in a row or 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, you just sell it. That's your decision, what you should do. Or when the market made a correction, you go the opposite way. If you are wrong, you get stopped. If you are right, you get all this swing up to January 6, 2021, when the market reversed. Look here, it's shown me reversal. But it doesn't matter. That was a good decision to sell over here for the reason that it's shown me the right point, which worked in the past, and it will work in the future as well. So please don't think about money. Making money is a killer on the market. Whoever's come to the market with the idea only to make the money will have really hard times. As long as you've got a cluster point, I got so many of them. In the future, wherever one of them is somewhere around, let's say it's 15-16 March 2021, I've got a cluster point. I will observe the market. If the market goes down and stops somewhere here, I know that about 15-16 market, my decision is to buy. And when I've got and the market will continue its upswing, I know that at this date I will sell. I think about decision. Money, my friend, is the result. Money is not the cause. So please bear in mind, always try to make right decisions on the market. Don't think about money. Money will come when you make the right decisions. It's exact issue like with the time and price. When you think about the price and you analyze the market based on the price, which I said in one of my previous videos, you will get lost because the most important factor on any market is the time. So price is the result of the time, and money is the result of your trading decisions. So making the right trading decisions, like for example this one, whatever happens here. Even if you do a simple analysis of this market, let me get rid of all these lines. Even if you make a simple analysis of the market, like this one, what you see over here, long term is an uptrend. The market started the correction. Would it work or not? We don't know yet. We can draw all kinds of lines over here. We know that this trend line has been broken and the correction begin. We got another trend line from here. It has been broken and it looks that the market responded well and will continue its uptrend. When you get it the other way, let's move it a little bit. When you see that over here is something, how do you call it? It's reversed head and shoulder. If you love this kind of analysis. And at the moment it was rejected. If you had anywhere here, I had a cluster point on 19th, which was here, and I was expecting that this line will be rejected. That was my forecast, and I made a decision. And lucky enough, I managed to sell this EURUSD at this level, and at the moment my stop loss is moved to the break even. If the market continues, it will be a red candle at the end of the day. I will add up another 0.5% of my trading account, because my position over here is only 0.5% of my trading account, what I risk over here. At the moment I don't risk anything because I'm break even. Maybe I might get stopped out and market might continue its way down. But at the moment we are at the line at the neckline of head and shoulders. As you see, we got one shoulder head, another shoulder reversed head and shoulders. If the market goes higher, we know that expected level should be this one. So the next level will be there. And if we go wherever we got another cluster point in the future, so we might find it that the market will reverse at this level, because the markets are very harmonic, very geometric. As a matter of time, obviously you can calculate it if you know how to do it, if you know the principles of the square of 9. If not, you can draw any harmonic line like this. Let's say this is one cycle from top to the bottom, so projected into the future will be somewhere here, which is around March 5th, probably March 3rd, which is on next Wednesday, within 8 days. We might see. So if the market goes lower, we might find the level when it might reverse. So you make the right decision over here or over here. Don't buy in the middle if you see a situation like that and you want to speculate your money on it. This is the very good place to sell if you manage to hit it right. So your premium, your bonus for this right decision will be big enough to be profitable. And don't think about the money. The money will come when you will make right decisions every time, and because this is a game of going up or going down. You go or winning or losing position, a part of the broker who is in the middle. You long term, when your take profit will be bigger than your stop loss, in the very long term, with right decisions, you will always make money. But please do not concentrate on making money on any market when trading. Concentrate yourself on making the right decisions. That's it from today, my friend. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. I will see you next time. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.